Are you looking for a modern home and a family-friendly neighborhood without breaking the bank? Welcome to one of Port St. Lucie's newest communities here in Tradition, where a sleek design, a vibrant family vibe, and an unbeatable price tag prove that you truly can have it all. Now that we've got your attention, get ready to dive into Kenley at Tradition, one of Port St. Lucie's newest communities by Mattamy Homes, where modern design and unbeatable value come together to create the perfect place to call home. In this video, we'll cover build times, incentives, HOA fees, and all of the available models. This is your complete guide to Kenley at Tradition, so sit back, relax, and let's dive in. If you're new to our channel, I'm Laura McClelland, a local realtor in Port St. Lucie, working alongside my partner, Michael Borgen. We specialize in new construction homes and share everything that you need to know about real estate on the Treasure Coast. If you're thinking about buying a new construction home or making a move to the area, we'd love to help. Call, text, or email us to get started. Just be sure to reach out to us before visiting any of the model homes to protect your right to representation and maximize builder incentives. Our services cost you nothing as the builder covers our commission, and having a knowledgeable real estate professional on your side makes the entire process smooth and stress-free. If you're loving the new community tours here in Port St. Lucie, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tours and updates on the best properties around. Kenley at Tradition is a new gated community by Mattamy Homes, and once fully built, it'll have around 214 single-family homes. As someone who personally owns a home by this builder, I can say that one of the biggest standout features is that they build their homes with a full concrete block structure. That means extra durability and peace of mind during Florida's hurricane season. But that's not all. Every home here comes standard with hurricane impact resistant windows and exterior doors. Not only does that help you keep your home safe during storms, but also makes your home more energy efficient, keeping it cooler during the Florida summers and helping you save on utility costs. Plus, the beautiful brick paver driveways add a nice touch to the curb appeal. Another big plus, Kenley is a natural gas community, which means that your tankless gas water heater, stove, and dryer will run on natural gas, which typically is more efficient and cost-effective compared to electric alternatives. This feature adds both convenience and long-term savings for homeowners. Now, the community itself is located just off of Becker Road and Major Highway I-95, making it super convenient for families, retirees, and professionals alike. The nearby Tradition Square is always buzzing with activities and events for everyone to enjoy. From live music nights and food truck festivals to seasonal celebrations like holiday parades and fireworks shows, there's always something happening. You can also check out the Tradition Neighborhood Market on Sundays, community fitness classes under the gazebo, and fun runs like the Turkey Trot and Cupid's Dash 5K. Whether you're into live entertainment, shopping local, or staying active, Tradition Square has an event for everyone. If you're unfamiliar with the Tradition area in Port St. Lucie, Florida, it is located in western Port St. Lucie along the state's Treasure Coast. It is approximately 30 minutes west of Jensen Beach and 50 minutes north of West Palm Beach. For travelers, Tradition is about 50 minutes north of Palm Beach International Airport, 90 minutes north of Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, and 2 hours south of Orlando International Airport, making it an essentially located hub on Florida's East Coast. Tradition is a very fast-growing area within Port St. Lucie, with multiple new construction communities, restaurants, shopping, and parks like the brand new Traditional Regional Park that will feature the world's first all-wheel inclusive BMX and racetrack coming soon in 2025, and the Stars and Stripes Park honoring veterans and first responders. If you'd like more information about Tradition, feel free to contact us at the number on the screen. We'd be happy to provide you with details or even give you a tour of the area to help you find the perfect place to call home. If you're planning to visit the new construction communities, we'd greatly appreciate the opportunity to connect with you first. This way we can guide you through the process, share our expertise, and help you secure the best home at the best price. Out of all the new construction communities here, Kenley at Tradition is a must-see if you're looking for a quality brand new home for a reasonable price. This is the perfect all-ages community that combines a cozy neighborhood ambiance with resort-style amenities. Residents can enjoy a heated pool, hot tub, fitness center, grilling station, and a covered cabana, all designed to enhance your lifestyle. There are a total of 9 different floor plans that can be built in this community. However, the top 6 floor plans that you will find in here are the Aspen, the Briar, the Dahlia, the Citron, the Graham, and the Rowan. The Aspen is a single-story home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a flex room, and a 2-car garage, making it the most cost-effective single-family home in the community, with a base price of $391,990. The Briar is a single-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a flex room that can be converted into a 4th bedroom with a base price of $427,990. The Dahlia is a single-story home that offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a flex room that can be converted into a 4th bedroom or a study with a base price of $473,990. The Citron is a single-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a den with a base price of $450,990. The Graham, which is a 2-story home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a flex room, and a tandem 3-car garage with a base price of $585,990. And the most popular 2-story floor plan is the Rowan, which is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a flex room with a 3-car garage. These homes offer plenty of space, ranging from 1,723 to 3,272 square feet. Each floor plan is available in one of the 3 exterior elevations: transitional, contemporary, and coastal. It is important to keep in mind that base prices do not include lot premiums or additional upgrades like design packages. Carpet is the standard flooring in all bedrooms, so if you prefer tile throughout the entire home, you'll need to make that decision early in the process, as some design changes may not be possible if construction has progressed too far. If you prefer to build your home from the ground up and personalize the details, Mattamy Homes operates as a spec home builder, meaning they pre-design their homes for specific lots and offer a variety of move-in ready options. However, you do still have the opportunities to select your preferred lot and build a home, though customization is limited to their pre-selected design packages, rather than a fully custom experience. This structured approach helps streamline the building process, leading to a faster construction timeline. If you sign a contract today, the build time is estimated to be about 5 to 7 months. But if you are needing something sooner, they offer multiple move-in ready homes that can be ready in as little as 1 to 3 months. Here's something important to keep in mind when purchasing a home here. There will be a required deposit known as earnest money. This typically ranges from 5% to 10% of the purchase price, and depending on whether you're paying cash or financing with a loan. And here's some exciting news. As of March 2025, they're offering an incredible incentive on move-in ready homes, a 4.75% interest rate on FHA 30-year loans, plus closing cost assistance. This is a fantastic opportunity to lock in a great rate and save money on your new home. Builders change their incentives constantly, but they often offer things like closing cost assistance or price reductions if you go with their preferred lender. Kenley is built by Mattamy Homes, so you would need to use Mattamy Homes Lending or another one of their approved lenders to lock in these incentives. Comment below and I can get you that information so you can get started on the pre-approval process. While we're here talking about budgets, since Kenley is an HOA community, you will have to pay an HOA fee. The good news, it is pretty reasonable. You're looking at around $390 per month. And that does include high-speed internet, cable TV with HBO, security system, and all lawn landscaping and irrigation, which actually comes from the lakes, reducing the cost of your water bill by not having to run your own sprinklers. And you get your access to the community amenities. You might be wondering about property taxes in Port St. Lucie. While they tend to be slightly higher than some in other areas, home prices remain affordable for the quality and size of homes available. Plus, with new construction, your home insurance costs will likely be much lower compared to a resale home. Insurance companies favor features like CBS construction and a brand new roof, water heater, and hurricane impact glass windows and doors, all of which come standard. It's also important to note that since this community is a part of Tradition, a fast-growing and modern area, CDD, which is Community Development District fees, are included in your annual property taxes. These fees help cover infrastructure and community development costs ranging from $714 to $816 per year, depending on the home collection you choose. The good news, with everything being brand new, maintenance costs are minimal, at least for the first year. Plus, the builder provides a limited 1-year warranty, giving you that extra peace of mind. One thing you will have to remember is to set aside some money in your budget. These homes do not come with a refrigerator, washer, or dryer as a standard, so you will need to purchase those on your own after closing. However, if you work with us as your realtor, we do have some tips to maximize the incentives that the builder provides and can assist with the negotiation of appliances. So make sure to give us a call before making the decision to buy a home here at Kenley. So is Kenley at Tradition the right place for you? Well, if you want a gated, well-priced community with modern homes and fair HOA fees that is perfect to raise a family in or enjoy the beautiful Tradition area, it is a solid choice. If you're thinking about buying a new home, reach out to us first. We'll help you navigate the process, find the best deals, and make sure that you're getting the most for your money. My team and I know these communities inside and out, and we'd love to be your go-to real estate resource. Call, text, or email us anytime. We'd love to help you find your perfect home. Let's make your dream home a reality. See you next time.